Do you have white spots on your Samsung TV screen? Don't worry, here are 6 methods to fix it. Step 1. Clean the screen. Dust or debris might be the culprit. Turn off your TV, grab a microfiber cloth, and gently wipe the screen in a circular motion. Skip the harsh chemicals, folks. Step 2. Adjust the backlight settings. Head to your TV's settings menu, find backlight settings, and tweak that brightness. Sometimes lowering it can make those pesky spots disappear. Step 3. Perform a pixel refresh or reset. Some Samsung TVs have a built-in pixel refresh feature. Check your manual or settings menu and give it a whirl. It might just do the trick. Step 4. Use a pixel fixing video. Find a special pixel fixing video online. Let it play for a few hours and watch those colors zap those white spots away. Step 5. Inspect and replace the reflector sheets. For the brave DIYers, open your TV and check the reflector sheets, fix or replace if needed. Just be cautious, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.